everybody, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Today is Monday, June 4th, and that can mean one thing only. It's time for What Sold on eBay! Before we delve into the items I chose to showcase this week, I'll do what I always do and kind of give you an overview of the number of packages we sent out each day this past week. Sales have been slow. The summer slowdown is real. If you are a clothing reseller, that summer slowdown is not a myth. It is very real. You need to get out there to the yard sales and the thrift stores and hunt down some hard goods and some sought-after electronics, which you can find at the yard sales. But that will help keep you afloat and keep your numbers up during the slow clothing time on online sales. So I know that last week was a 3-day weekend, and so I did my video on Monday and you didn't really get the total number. For a 3-day weekend, we finished out with 39 packages going out Tuesday. So that was sales that were from Friday at 3 p.m. when we did shipping until Tuesday at 3 p.m. So basically 4 days, 39 packages. That's terrible. That is really low. But again, we could be doing a lot less, so we're trying not to look a gift horse, or I guess a workhorse in the mouth, as it were. We're just going to keep working and keep listing and take what we can and be grateful for it, because we always could be selling less and making less money than we are. So 39 packages on Tuesday. Wednesday we had 9. Thursday we had 7. And Friday we jumped up again to 11. And that will also show you that even during the slow times, you're going to have your high days. So there's hope, guys. Don't give up. And before I delve into the items, I wanted to pull up one thing I sold on Friday. This is a Disney Store Authentic Patty Mayonnaise Nickelodeon doll. And I did sell her for the full asking price of $12. They bought her late Friday afternoon, like right before we were about to do shipping, and I shipped her out same day. And right after I printed the label, I got a message in our eBay messages that was addressed to me, and they said thank you. It was a very nice message. I did not recognize the name, and I did not know who the person was, but they knew my name. It was addressed Star, and the store is in Keith's name. So it has to be someone that either watches my YouTube channel or knows me through social media. And I wanted to reach out to you, so if you are listening, please get a hold of me on Instagram or Facebook at Flippin' Hippos. Let me know it was you. I want to thank you for ordering from us and put a face to the name from that very, very nice message we received. Okay, so it is summertime, and I keep telling you guys to get into the shorts, get into the tank tops, get into the swimsuits, because that's what people are looking to buy. I have sold so many shorts this past week. Most of them go for women's shorts. Most will go for 10 to 15 depending on the brand and the style. The short denim shorts, the mini like booty shorts, go on the higher end. And believe it or not, the more destroyed they are, the higher the price you'll get. And then men's shorts typically go between 18 and 25, depending on your brand and your size. Men's sizes, the higher they get, the more money you can ask for. And I guess that's the same with women's, like if you had plus size shorts. So we sold a lot of shorts, and most of them are selling pretty quickly. I'll spend a day just listing shorts, and in the next 2 to 3 days, I'll sell half or a little more of what I just listed. And like I said, the majority of the women's shorts I list, they go for $12. I'm paying 99 cents, so that's okay. It's a good return on investment. They're flipping fast, which means my investment isn't sitting around as long. They're not long tail right now. And they are so easy to measure and photograph that I can do like 35 in an hour and a half. And that's measuring and photographing. So I can get through them fast. I can list like 12 an hour on eBay. And they sell fast, and the return on investment is great. Men's shorts, they take a little bit longer just because they're typically bigger and harder for me to deal with. You guys know I have to do all my flat lays sitting down because of my back, but they go for higher prices, so I do try to stock both. These that you're looking at right now are Fat Farm shorts. They're dark wash denim, Bermuda shorts for men. They're a larger size. They're pretty big. So I started at 20, and I did get the full asking price for these of 20, and I paid 99 cents for these at the Goodwill. I sold several swimsuits this week. I just wanted to show you guys this one. It's Victoria's Secret. It is no secret that Victoria's Secret clothing and Victoria's Secret Pink sells like hotcakes, and you can usually get a pretty good price on it. This was a very nice looking bikini. It was just a bikini top. I got this for 99 cents at the Goodwill. And I started it at $18, the same as I start my Victoria's Secret bras. And after about 3 days of listing, it did sell for the full asking price. I've also been selling a lot more tank tops and short sleeve shirts as the weather gets warmer. And I just wanted to give you guys an example of a very good mall brand that you guys can pick up and will flip for a good amount. This one was new with tags. It is Old Navy. Actually, the tag ripped off. If you guys want to read that, it's pretty funny. While we were dressing our mannequin, we accidentally pulled the tags off of the top. I say we, it was me. Let's not blame Keith. I ripped the tags right off. So I just listed it that the tags are going to come with it, and I did get the full asking price of $15 here, and I paid 99 cents for this at the Goodwill. So like I said, we've been selling a lot of shorts and tank tops and swimsuits as the weather gets warmer, but we're still selling jeans. We're selling jeans every day, at least one pair, sometimes 2 and 3. And still our mall brands that I preach that we love to sell because we get them for 99 cents. So I'm just going to flip through a couple pairs real quick just to show you what went this week. These are J. Jill women's jeans. They're the boyfriend style. From what I understand, the boyfriend style of jeans is sought after style. A lot of women like these. I got these for 99 cents and I took a best offer of $17. These are Ralph Lauren women's jeans. They're just your basic high waist boot cut Ralph Lauren's. I paid 99 cents for these at the Goodwill, and I took a best offer of $24. Here we have Buffalo David Benton jeans. These are called the Jazz Flares. I paid 99 cents for these at the Goodwill, and I got my full asking price of $20 for these. Here are some Torrids. Torrid is definitely a brand I have told you guys before to be on the lookout for. It is a good brand. It makes a lot of larger sizes and plus sizes for women. I did take a best offer on these Torrid of $25, and I paid 99 cents. Here's just some Gap 1969s. These were the curvy mid-rise boot cut style, and I paid 99 cents for these, and I got my full asking price of $23.75. And speaking of jeans selling in warm weather and how things will sell all year long, you never know, we sold our Halloween Scary Grandma costume short shirt this week. It is long sleeve also, so it's a Halloween shirt. It's long sleeve, and someone bought it for the full asking price. So that was pretty exciting. So I've saved the Coupe de Gras, or the best to last. These actually sold last Monday night, but they went after I did our what sold on eBay that week. I did mention them in my vlog, but here they are. They're the Nerf Thunderstorm motorized Super Soaker. There's 2 of them. We picked them up at a yard sale, not just this past weekend, the weekend before. We picked them up for $1 each. We paid $2 total for the both of them. Keith listed them on Memorial Day. They sold overnight for our full asking price. And here is another treasure we found. This one we found just this past weekend at a yard sale. Keith paid $5 for this. It's a DS. It had some stickers on it. I'm going to show them to you that were peeling off. You can see the stickers there. And it had some damage to the screen. How did he word that? The power slide sticks too. The stickers. And the top screen had damage. And there's one section that remains blue. There were no games or stylus included with it. So it was just, it's a DS that's got some damage to it. It's got some cosmetic damage, the power bar sticks. And even with all of that, we did get an offer of $19.50 on it, which we took today. It was just listed yesterday, and it went that fast. So like I said at the beginning of this video, even though it is a slower time for flipping clothes online, you still can flip clothes. We still do every single day. We still sell. We sell less clothing than we were, say, in March, but still every single day. And we're selling Halloween clothing and jean clothing and clothing that's in the season and mall brands and higher end brands. It all goes. You just got to keep your store active and just make sure you're listing every day. And to fill in the blanks, you can go to your yard sales and your thrift stores and pick up goodies like this and your Nerf guns and other electronics and just other hard goods people are looking for right now. And you can pick your bottom line back up if your clothing sales are dropping. Alright guys, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Did you guys find anything good over the weekend at yard sales? Did you have any really awesome flips last week? Tell me about it. And do me a favor, smash that like button down below. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.